So you want to know more about the latest innovation from Spotify? Watch until the end to know all the ins and outs of what we know of the newest technology of Spotify. The AI DJ Spotify is known for its personalized approach to music recommendations, and the AI DJ takes this to the next level. In this video, we'll explore what the AI DJ is, how it works, and why it's such a game changer for music lovers. So, what is the AI DJ? Essentially, it's an artificial intelligence powered guide that creates a curated lineup of music personalized just for you. This feature, currently in beta, not only selects the music, but also provides commentary on the tracks and artists it thinks you'll like. It's like having a personalized DJ in your pocket. The AI DJ is designed to sort through the latest music on your old favourites, potentially resurfacing songs you haven't listened to in years. It also constantly refreshes the lineup based on your feedback. If you don't like the current selection, just tap the DJ button to switch it up. The more you listen and provide feedback, the better the recommendations will get. Let's take a closer look at how it works. How the AI DJ works. The AI DJ works by combining several innovative technologies to create a completely personalized experience. First, Spotify's personalization technology uses what it already knows about your music taste to recommend a lineup of songs. This is based on your listening history, playlists, and saved tracks. But it's the combination of Spotify's technology with OpenAI's generative AI that makes the AI DJ really special. Spotify's music editors use this technology to provide insightful facts about the music, artists, or genres you're listening to. These editors are experts in different genres and know the music scene inside out, and they're now able to scale their knowledge using the generative AI tooling. This means that you'll get a personalized experience with added context and information. The AI DJ also uses a dynamic AI voice platform from Sonantic, which brings to life stunning realistic voices from text. Xavier X. Jernigan, Spotify's head of cultural partnership, served as a first voice model for the AI DJ. X was previously on one of the hosts on Spotify's first morning show, The Get Up, and his personality and voice resonated with listeners, resulting in a loyal following for the podcast. So, with these technologies combined, the AI DJ is able to create a completely personalized experience that provides commentary on the music you're listening to, while also introducing you to new artists and genres. It's like having a personal music expert right in your pocket. Availability of the AI DJ. So why is the AI DJ such a game changer for music lovers? Well, for starters, it takes the personalized approach that Spotify is known for and amplifies it, providing even more customized recommendations. Additionally, the added commentary and information about the music you're listening to can help you appreciate it even more. The AI DJ is rolling out in beta in English or Spotify Premium users in the US and Canada starting today. To access it, simply head to your music feed on home in the Spotify mobile app on your iOS or Android device and tap play on the DJ card. Then sit back and let the AI DJ create a lineup of music picked just for you. Conclusion. In conclusion, the AI DJ from Spotify is a powerful new feature that uses cutting-edge technologies to create a personalized music experience like never before. With its ability to deliver a curated lineup of music alongside commentary and information, the AI DJ provides a completely personalized music experience. The more you listen and provide feedback, the better the recommendations get, making it an even more valuable tool for music lovers. As the AI DJ rolls out in beta for Spotify Premium users in the US and Canada, we can only imagine the possibilities for personalized music experience in the future. Spotify have yet to release anything about the final version release date, but if you want to stay tuned and hear all updated, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.